This is David Bell with David James Bell Consulting, bringing you some information about the new version, Microsoft Word 2013. We're going to be taking a look at some of the features and the things that are involved in creating documents with Word 2013. Now, we've got a blank screen up, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to the File menu, click on File, and go to New, and from here, we have a lot of options. What we're going to do here is start with blank document. We've opened up a blank document. A blank document gives you the option of being able to create a document completely from scratch. You have control over everything about how the document is going to look. We can change the formatting. We can change the colors. We can do whatever we need to, change the font sizes, all of that. And the document is completely under our control. We also have another couple of options here. We can go back to the File menu, go back again to New, and we can go and we can select a template. A template is a pre-formatted document that will basically give us a leg up on creating a highly designed document without having to put in all of the extra work of even learning how to do it. Let's take a look here. We're going to pull up Spring Flyer, and we're going to tell Word that we want to go ahead and create it. Word is downloading that document, and here it is. We have a beautifully designed flyer, complete with graphics, and also complete with instructions on what to do. Add a brief description of your event here. So we're going to click, and if you notice, one click highlights that whole section so that we can go ahead and replace the text. Celebrate the warm weather. Okay, we can just click in each of the bracketed areas and just replace the text, and in moments we have a completely finished document ready to go. Now, let's go back and let's take another look at File New. And in the New menu, we also note that we have a complete selection of documents that we can choose from. And we also have options for searching online for documents. Microsoft.com has all sorts of templates for every office program, including Microsoft Word. So you have a number of Word-specific templates available for letters, resumes, faxes, labels, cards, calendars, and again, just blank templates, for documents of different sizes that you want to be able to create with Microsoft Word. Basically, again, what Word does is it allows you to be able to create, highly specified documents specific to any business or educational or personal need, and you can do that very, very quickly. Everything looks nice and professional. You have no reason to not look sharp utilizing Microsoft Word. Now, let's say we want to go ahead and open a document. We're right here at the Open menu. So let's go ahead and open a document. And if you'll note, the recent documents that we've worked on are all available right here, showing what we've done recently, and so that we can grab a document that we may have started to work on and need to continue to work on. So we can click on that document, and it will open up, and we're ready to begin working once again. Continuing to edit, and let's say we can add another word to clarify some things here. Oops. Let's make our insertions clean. We can go through, we can change anything that we need to about the document. We can come back in, we can change the formatting of the different paragraphs very quickly by hitting our styles. So again, we've opened up Word, we've gone in, found and retrieved a document that we've previously worked with, and we're ready to do anything that we need to dress that document up. And we'll look at some more details about how we can fancy up our documents later. Now, after we have done this, let's take a look at some options that we've got. we can go ahead and save this document, and we'll save it back in its current location on our hard drive. But we also have some options here for save as. Save as will allow us to go ahead and place it back on our local computer, but we also have the option of moving things up to our SkyDrive. Microsoft gives us the option of creating a SkyDrive account, normally associated with a Windows Live account or an MSN account or a Hotmail account. Any of those Microsoft accounts that you have will allow you to create a SkyDrive or a cloud-based storage location, on Microsoft servers, so that you can store things in the cloud, and then you can make them available to other machines, both PCs and Macintosh, so that your documents can be stored remotely and available locally anywhere that you need them. Let's go ahead and we're going to open up and we're going to save this to my SkyDrive. These are documents on my SkyDrive, and I'm going to go ahead and hit save. If you note up here in the Save As window, it says my name, David. It says SkyDrive, and this is a document going on to my SkyDrive. I'm going to go ahead and hit save here. Word is contacting the server for information. And of course, obviously, this will require you having an internet connected device in order for this to happen. But this will also keep you connected whether you're working on your PC, whether you're working on a tablet, whether you're working on any other computing device that can access your SkyDrive. Okay, your document will be upgraded to the newest file format, so you'll get all of the features. So what we're going to do is click OK and let that change happen. Because we have options with Microsoft Word. You may be using Word 2013. Other people may be using earlier versions of Word. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and tell us someone updated the server copy. So let's keep the server version. I previously uploaded that. That one was started to change it. And now we're back and we're ready to go. Okay. Now, what we've done here is we've taken a look at how we can create a new document with Microsoft Word. We have the option of being able to go, directly into the start screen and create a new blank document. We also, from inside Word, we can hold down the Control key, type an N, and that will immediately give us, that's our keyboard shortcut to giving us a new blank document. Again, we can go back to the File menu, and we have our start screen where we can select New, and then we have all our options for a new blank document or pulling a document from any of the templates, and we can sort through the templates using the suggested search here, and we can also search online from within our local computer connected to the internet, and being able to go to Microsoft.com and pull down templates. From there, we can also pull down any artwork that we'd like, up to and including artwork that is stored locally on our computer. So we have a number of options, a number of things that we've gone over. We can open documents here on our local machine or from our SkyDrive. We can save documents to our local machine, to the SkyDrive. Microsoft makes going to the internet seamless with saving things on your local machine. So we have a lot of options here for working with Microsoft Word 2013, and we'll be looking at more of these features in a little more depth in later sessions. This is David Bell with David James Bell Consulting. I thank you for your time, thank you for your attention, and enjoy your time spent with Microsoft Word 2013.